Alright guys, this is the attempt to see if this new way works, right? So I changed the positions of where the loop is for the while statement, as well as the ending. So let's see. These are all my other stuff. This wasn't working out, just don't look at that. And then here is where I added a new if statement. If again is equal to 1, again being the many choice where they start the whole program again, it's going to clear it, and then it's going to assign again equal to 1. It's going to hit this, and then it's going to go right back up. I don't want to see all that. Get that out of my face. It's going to go right back up here, because like n equals 1. And it's going to redo everything. Right? So it's going to redo every single thing that we have done in the program. I feel like this is a little bit cheating, but it might work. So I guess we can see. This is all just other stuff. So let's see if this works. Do male, Hispanic, say yes. Any of these will work. So I'm just going to go straight for it this first time. And that works, that works, that works. So far in this first run it works. Let's see if it works on the second run. Closes out all my stuff if I hit that. Again, an option. So let's do the same thing. Male, Hispanic, yes. Any of these three. I'm going to try to, for that 5 to 10,000, yes. I'm not really paying attention to all those because it's a lot. For here, there is a pretty big list. Of course, this is the majority where it's at. I think there's only like 3 or 4 places where we actually have universities to be able to work off of in that last section of code. So let's just say University of Houston. So it pops up. The graduating students split up in their respective races, ethnicities, versus the total students, and then it outputs here what the percentage is. Right? So let's say I want to do that again. This is where the problem should arise. Do female Hispanic this time. Say yes. Any of these three. I'm going to do 10,000 and 15,000. I'm going to hit this yes. Okay, so far it's looking promising. As you can see, I did change the second graph just so I can be similar to this first one. Of course, these things are flipped. I doubt anyone's going to really pay attention to that. It's more so about the color scheme, just so people can relate one to the other. Like, oh, hey, while female high school attainment rates have dropped, the overall number of people who've gotten bachelor degrees that are female is an upward trend. Jesus. All right, so let's see if this works, and it does. So everything. So let's run this program again with the new one. Just say total. These three. Let's go to 1,000 to 5,000. We say yes. There's a crapson. So Ross. That works. Let's go again. Let's see if this works. I'm not entirely sure if there's any more down past here, but I guess we can check it 20 to 50,000. It does not. That does not happen. Say close that program. This stays up just in case the user wants to see them, and I think that works. I think it works. I'm going to be sending this to y'all as well as the video. Just test it out. But I think so far it works.